I have had enough of you. Wait. I have had enough of you. I'm talking about all these cards that I use in paying for Facebook ad. Now, I found a way, as you can see right on your screen. I found a way for you to be able to run Facebook ad with just bank transfer, and it is pretty easy. If you follow me to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps I actually took for me to be able to run Facebook ad. I paid for Facebook ad with just bank transfer. In fact, I used PalmPay app to be able to pay for the Facebook app, as you can see now. So the first thing you are going to do is to actually set up your Facebook account. Now, if you have not set up your Facebook account, you can comment the word interested below, and I'm going to guide you on how you can actually run, how you can set up your Facebook ad account in a pretty way. Particularly if you are running ads from Nigeria, you must use a Nigerian Facebook ad account. If you are running ad from Ghana, you must use the one of your country. If you are running ad from any part of the world, it must be the domination of your country. Now, Facebook has made payment flexible. Before now, we used to have issues with all these guys trying to pay card. In fact, I have gone to the extent of opening card with cheaper, opening cards with virtual cards, several virtual cards. Some of the times it doesn't go, some of the time it goes, and these are the issues and the headache of affiliate marketer. So if you're an affiliate marketer, gather here. If you are a small business owner, gather here. This is the best information you need right now, and this is the best time for you to stop using all these cards. You need to throw them away actually, because right now you can actually do Facebook ad with just your bank transfer. In fact, I did mine with the PalmPay app, as you can see right now. I made a payment of a sum of just 10,000 naira to top it up on this Facebook ad account, and in few minutes the thing went through and my Facebook ad account was just credited that way, and it is pretty easy. So after setting up your Facebook ads, the normal way you should set it up as a professional. If you don't know how to do that as a professional, I can actually guide you to do that. Just drop in the comment below, guide me, and I'm going to guide you on what you should do for you to be able to actually run a Facebook ad that is cheap. My Facebook ad, some of my Facebook ad goes for just 2 naira, some of my Facebook ad goes for just 5 naira per click, and a professional is the one that can actually get that how. Now, the best thing for you to now do is for you to set up your Facebook ad. Once you are done, you want to add funds. Make sure your Facebook ad is actually connected to a pixel so that you can do retargeting. Now, when you are done with that, the next thing for you to do is to actually go to the fund wallet. That is, you want to add funds. You want to add fund. And then there are several options. As you can see, I have several cards that I've used on this Facebook ad account. I also use PayU recently. PayU equally allow me to use the cards. I have to actually use card for the pay. So I've been finding a way of having to disconnect whatever payment, whatever thing there that is there. Now, before you can get this done, you must actually have a default wallet. My own account is a prepaid wallet, not a postpaid wallet. So it means that you have to add your fund ahead, and then if you run Facebook ad regularly, you are going to have a limit of the amount of money you can actually spend on your Facebook ad before Facebook will say, I want to debit you for one thing or the other that you have done. So what I did was that, okay, I added funds there, and then I clicked on bank transfer, and hola, it brought me to pay with Paga. And the same way we normally use the virtual account to pay on several websites, it just gave me a virtual account that you are seeing right now to make my payment. And seamlessly, I just made the payment, and then the payment went through, and then you see the result now. After a few minutes, I just received this information and said my account has been credited. This is just amazing. I hope that Amazon and some other platforms, that actually Netflix and every other one, will actually adopt this method to make payment easy. Payment can be easy. Fintechs have made every other thing easy. Just a simple API call, and that is going to be very, very easy. If you are going to try this method, please kindly let me know. And then don't forget to share this video with your friends. Once again, I'm Farumbi Samuel, and I talk about legit side hustle tips, Facebook ad strategies, Google ad strategies, and inspirational quotes. Till then, I see you next time. Bye bye.